Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you to design another awesome slide by using PowerPoint. Before that, please subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon to get more tutorials. Let's jump to the video. Open empty slide and remove unwanted elements. Change the background color as you want. I am selecting light purple color. As first step, go to the Shapes tab and select hexagon. Remove lines and place it bottom left corner as in the video. Then change the color into the white. Now go to the Glow tab and select dark purple color. Increase the glow size. Duplicate the hexagon and place it right top corner as in the video. Now we need right triangle. Place it left top corner on the slide. Remove the lines and change the color into the white. It also need to increase the glow size. Then duplicate it and place right bottom corner. Now go to Shapes tab and take a line. Change the color into the purple and increase the line size. Duplicate the line and change the line setting as solid line. Change the begin arrow type as oval. Now decorate your slide by placing the lines as in the video. Remember, oval arrow is using to show the end of the line. Now place the topic middle of the slide. Change the settings as in the video. Finally, you can see the output. Thanks for watching the video.